So what we're going to
Yeah, I'm getting spring roll sandwich, me. Yeah, of course I am.
This is the story of two friends, two old friends, two best friends.
What car are you driving now?
I had a Range Rover, didn't I?
Yeah.
They still share the same interests, but their lives are very different. Two friends to the very end. But who knows when that end will be?
I used to be sick though.
Right now, this is probably the part where their lives are flashing past their eyes, and they can see what they did right or wrong.
My name is Junaid, and these were my choices in life.
What's happening? Is this you on Facebook? Yeah, you look hot. Proper desi fly chicken. What?
Junaid, it's time to pray.
No, stop the line. What do you say?
Junaid, it's time to pray.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Allahu Akbar.
Alhamdulillah.
God, yeah. It's my brother, man. Eh? Yeah. Forget that anymore. What are you on tonight?
My name is Adam, and these were my choices.
You're looking big, bro.
Cheers, bro. No, tried, hard work.
Is that what it is? He's looking for a woman?
Yeah,
I reckon he's looking for
he's
for a missus.
Yeah.
Is he the biggest in your family?
Yeah, nah. He's the ex-man. Check these babies out, man.
That's mental, that, bro. Look at that.
Good genes, aren't they? Bad boys, then.
Oh, brother, sorry, I've got to go and pray, yeah?
I used to be sick, though.
Damn, I wish I'd prayed. I guess it's just too late now.
Alhamdulillah, I'm glad that I prayed.